Okay, so here is an update on where I'm at with my card game. I am working on the art, and I found this really cool tool called Dexterous. And it's a website where you can lay out your card game and you can upload your own images and put in text, and you pretty much just have this interactive template that you can create, and it feeds a bunch of information from a spreadsheet. And so if I want to make a new card here, I can just say plus and click on the name of the card, and then I can just fill out this spreadsheet. So, if I want to do, a knife for a weapon, then I have a little quip here. It's good for stabbing. And then we can put the explainer text here. So let's just copy this and paste this in. +2 damage when you attack, and this card is in your den. Great. So here I have my pirate cannon, and I'm making my art in a app called Clip Studio Paint. And this is just a really nice way to do digital art. And the thing that I like the most about it is that it's kind of a mixture of vector and bitmap drawing. And when you do your lines, check this out. This is the best. This is like the reason I use Clip Studio Paint. If you draw a couple lines and you intersect them, there is a special eraser you can use called a vector eraser, and you can erase the overshot lines. And so you can really quickly make super clean art. Man, I just spend so much time cleaning up the little edges and everything of my art, and this just makes it so much easier. And so you can make some really nice looking stuff very, very quickly. And so that's what I'm using to make this art. And this is a cannon that's only partially done. I still have quite a bit of shading and everything to do, especially on the cannon part, but on the little cart part as well. And so this is going to go into the pirate cannon here. And yeah, you could just upload an image. So we'll just throw these ninja stars in there, sure. And it just throws it into that template, and it's really, really easy. So we have this split up into different kinds of cards. These are the weapons. We also have actions, which I haven't really done much with yet. Upgrades, downgrades, and then bears, which are the character cards. This game is a little bit of a mixture of something like Unstable Unicorns and Pokemon, in that you have attacks that you use, but you also have upgrades and downgrades and things that help you attack other bears. So this is really fun. I'm just kind of putting some art in here, and really I'm not the very best artist in the world, but I'm learning, and there's a lot of things I would probably change and maybe spend some more time on, but I'm really focusing on the fact that just done is better than perfect. And so it's my goal here to just kind of fill out these cards, and then I can always go back and change the art later, update things as I learn and grow and get more skilled with art. But for now, I'm having a lot of fun just making some cool stuff and getting a functional game with actual art, because until the game's made, there actually is no game. So I'm having a lot of fun, and I hope that you guys enjoy being along for the ride. If you have any questions about either Clip Studio Paint or this tool dexterous.com, let me know and I'll do my best to answer it.